Silent Hill again. So this is pretty much what I did for the Silent Hill nurse. I did a cast on my face. And it stretches. It looks like I've got cheeks, but I really don't. So, it's pretty much napkin and big blood and marker and this. No, not marker. What is that? Oh, crap. Hold on. So, it's napkin, fake blood, black lipstick, which is this, face paint, a bunch of other stuff. So let's take it off. Oh. Yeah, sure, this isn't painful. Oh no, my eyes aren't hurt. There's like layers. Roar. Oh my god. Oh, please tell me it's not my hair.